Hello guys, hope I come on time. It's 11:05, so I have been a little late. So the subject of today will be a general subject, a general discussion about Bitcoin and internet coins. So I will be just waiting just a few minutes until the guys come, and then we can begin. So right now there is no one who is watching, so I will be just waiting for some people to come. Now this subject of Bitcoin, it should be like a general discussion about internet coins, and these are new things happening in the market. I'm not saying stock market, but in the whole market. And there is a lot of talk, a lot of people talk, and the people are astonished. Me also, I have been astonished how this come, but it's the same as any bubble in the market. Something comes and it makes a bubble, it makes a bull thing. All the people talk about it, all the people are interested, and some people they like these new things, and they go ahead and they try it. And some other people, they just watch, and there are other people who don't know about it, even if it is famous, but they have no idea about it. So this subject, it will be like just a general discussion. So we will discuss this subject, and hope some people come, and we try to hello wise man, how are you? I have just been waiting for some guys to come in order to have this discussion, which is a bit something new. So most of the time I don't talk about forex, or I talk about internet coins or something like that, but because some people, they ask me about this, so I want just to discuss with you guys, and maybe you have more knowledge than me about this, so we try just have a discussion. So we try to see what's this Bitcoin, and are there other coins online, and let's say how to buy it or how to sell it, and is it people they take it for investing, or people they trade these things. So all this stuff, we will see them in this session. So if you have anything to tell, just write on the chat room, and we can begin our discussion. So I have seen that this Bitcoin, which is an internet coin, had begun like in 2009 from, they say, from Japanese group or something, and they created this new monster, as they say, okay, because it was so cheap. Today it reached $20,000 for one Bitcoin. Just a few days ago it was 9,000, just 1 week or two. It doubled. Okay, and it's a lot of money. Some people who have some Bitcoins, 2 or 3 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 10, and they bought it years ago, now they can make a lot of money. So hello wise man, hello Artkov. So today this subject, as you might see, it is a new subject, and we try just to share information. I am not an expert in Bitcoin, and I don't do forex, currency pairs, or cryptocurrencies. I don't do them, but like you guys, I'm just get interested because a lot of people talk, and for me it was just a new thing, although I have heard about this. But when I hear about something and it is moving fast, it gets my notice, okay, and I try to see what's it. Hello, Nasdula, how are you? So, in general, a lot of people, they don't know this Bitcoin, what is it? And they doubt that it is something valid for the future, or it is something that we can trust. And it's a bit scary, because something that it gets like $100, $200, and then a few months it's $20,000. This is a bit scary. Now, if you invest some money in it and you make money and you sold and you make a lot of money, this is good for you. But if something like it was 20,000 and you buy some and then it goes down, you will be also losing money. Okay, and there are some security issues because it is global. It's not like something like a bank. You can call the person and you say, okay, and you go online, you see how much you have. But for Bitcoins, it's a bit strange. It's like cash, and in terms of security, you know, it's a lot of trouble. And there are some people who get trouble from this. They buy some coins and then they don't find them, or they are stolen, or I don't know. This kind of issues that it didn't happen a lot in banks. And understand, here when I'm talking about two things at the same time. When I say Bitcoin, it is a new internet currency, and it is global. It means wherever there is internet, you can use this, you can buy this Bitcoin or another coin, and you can buy it and sell it. Oh, hello, KSM Tim Baker and JJ, hello everyone. I am just trying to explain what is this thing. So Bitcoin, it is an internet currency. It's like a dollar, it's like a euro in Europe, it's like the yen in Japan. Okay, it's just a currency. Okay, I don't know. Let's see here. I think that all the guys are listening. Are you listening good? Because KSM said that the sound is cutting. All this question is for all you guys. Is the voice good? It means you are listening to me. Yes, they say that they hear me. So KSM. It might be your crap speaker, so it's high time to change them. Okay, this is the end of the year, maybe they are old. Change them. Okay, thank you very much, Nastina Noche. You know, the video, I'm not interested in the video at all, but what I am interested in is the voice. It means because I am not showing anything on the thing. So it's okay, it's okay. So I told you, they say it is a Japanese group. They have created this currency. It's just a currency. It's just like a dollar or euro, but there is no bank. It means it is not a bank that it is making this Bitcoin. Okay, it's not a bank, decentralized bank, and it is not in one country that it is producing this coin. It is an internet coin. Okay, right now, if you go online, you can pay with Bitcoin and other coins, because there are other coins, not just Bitcoin. There is what we call Litecoin, and there is like Ethereum, and there are other coins. All these are just internet. Okay, you don't find them in banks, you just find them online in some exchanges. Here in the USA, there are some exchanges that you can buy and sell. It's like a broker, and with fees. Okay, you can buy and you can sell this Bitcoin. Okay, it's like any other coin. If so, Wiseman said, most I know about coin is them getting rid of the penny while back. Will you buy me some Bitcoin, please? Yes. I will settle for gold. No, see, gold, it is a physical mineral. Okay, it is physical. It means you when you buy gold, you buy ounce of gold, or you buy whatever you want. This is physical, like silver, like gold, like copper. It is physical. Now we are speaking about currencies. We are not speaking about physical thing. Kigalik Muallim. I don't know what is this or what is this language, but Tubal Kane. So write in English. I don't know what's this. Kigalik Muallim. I don't know what's Kigalik. As I told you, just with the beginning. Since all you are listening, just we begin with the beginning. They say that the first group or person, or just an anonymous person who created Bitcoin is in Japan. I don't know what happened right now. They are in prison or they are still there. We don't know. So this is a new cryptocurrency. It means that it is regarded as a new internet currency, and it has no bank. It means decentralized bank. It means it's not the banks that make this money, and they are not physical. Okay, these coins are just internet coins. They give them value. It's like in the stock market. When a share of a company, like Facebook, for example, it is $182. Okay, now a share, it is just virtual. Okay, it's not something that it is like a brick or a door of a store, and it is 100 something. Okay, so it is just virtual. So this Bitcoin, it is virtual, and it is a currency. The good thing right now is that you can buy things and services with this Bitcoin. It means it enters into the market. It becomes a reality. Now before it wasn't, but right now there are, they say there are a lot of businesses in the world, okay, they accept this coin to for their services or for their products. So it becomes a real thing. JJ say, should we use your strategy to buy Bitcoin? I will come to this. See, when you buy something and you have the chart, you can use my strategy. Okay, but in this thing, there are two things you can see. This Bitcoin, either it is used with other currency, like for example Bitcoin versus the dollar. You can trade as a day trade. There are some websites like brokers, they have these coins like Bitcoin and Litecoin, and there are other coins, and each coin, internet coin, has a value. The most expensive one is a Bitcoin. Today they say it reached $20,000 for one Bitcoin, which is so big. It's like a bull. It's just a few days ago it was $9,000. Just 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks ago, if you see the history of the chart, you will see that. Okay, so, and there is a lot. This is, you can use it as a day trading. It means as a forex currency pairs. You can go, you find, for example, Bitcoin versus a dollar, or Bitcoin versus euro, or Bitcoin versus Great Britain pound. Okay, if you are day trader and you like forex currency pairs, you can do day trading. Okay, this is one thing. There is another thing where you can just invest in it. It means you just buy and you leave. Okay, but this is there is too much risk. Okay, there is too much risk in this kind of thing, because they can go fast and they can go down very fast. It's like I compare this with penny stocks. When it is 5 cents or 10 cents, or it goes to $1 to $5 to $6, you will never know why it goes so up, and you don't know why they go so down. It's all like a bubble, what the people are talking about. And if the people, they like it and they begin to buy, you see a bull in this internet coins. And this is what happened right now. All the people are looking at this Bitcoin thing because it's a new phenomenon in the market. Just a few days ago, I see it, it was 9,000. I don't believe when they see it is 20,000. This is just because of the people. When the people, they get interested, and there are millions in the world, because don't try to forget that it is only in USA. It is in Europe, in America, in Asia. All the whole world have heard about this, and they began to buy because they say we can buy earlier. After 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, it becomes expensive, and then we can sell it and we have a big fortune. This is what happened right now. There are some who bought it at 300, 400, 500 a Bitcoin. Now it is 20,000. You will see the difference. Okay, so they invest in this kind of things, but these kind of things are very risky. You should have this high risk in order to do this thing. But in other hands, if you want to do forex, this is just like a day trading. Okay, you can buy, you can wait a few minutes or half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours. You can make money and then you can sell. This is related to trading. But there is something which is investing. You buy and you forget for 1 month or 6 months or 1 year or 2 years, and then you see if it's going up and you make a lot of money, then you can sell. I don't know. There is a question about Tubal. Can we use it in money loan sitting? I don't know what's this loan sitting, but you can explain. Nazila, she says, how we can get advantage of the volatility of the currency? Look like it could be manipulated, and it looks like a balloon and will blow anytime. Yes, Nazila, these things can go very quick up and can go very quick down. So if you want to do something, either investing or trading, you should have this idea of risk. Okay, and there are fees also. It's like a broker, it takes fees. JJ say, I was following one, it was 800 and is now $2,500. So JJ, what is this coin that you are following? KSM, you are reading a Bitcoin article on Yahoo Finance right now. Yes, you know, for us it is just to just discuss with you this, because it's a new phenomenon in the market, and some people have bought either Bitcoin. It means you are not going to buy, for example, one Bitcoin which is $20,000. No, some people they buy a fraction of the 100, for example 1% or 10% or 2%, or to buy other coins, because there are a lot. and you will never know which one is going up, which is good, and one which is going down. You should follow these coins. So JJ say it is the GBTC. So the BTC is a Bitcoin. The GBTC, I don't know, because there are a lot. Yes, I try to see what's this. Let's see, 3 months. Yes, it was 600. 1 year, 130. Oh man, in 1 day it goes 13.64, and this is a trust, and it is in the OTC markets. Oh, that's maybe there are a lot like these, lot of like these coins. So let me see what's this, because I don't yes. Yes, I don't know about this the GBTC. Okay, it's like a trust, and it is in over the counter. It means not in the normal exchanges, but it's like the OTC. It's like the penny stocks. It is there. It's in the other markets, and they say there are a lot of coins. It's not just the Bitcoin, but there are a lot. Yes. Bitcoin right now it is 9,000 like 100 as you say. Why didn't they split the stock? No, see, KSAM. This Bitcoin, it is not a stock. It's not a share. It is a unit. You can divide this unit. Okay? Now, for example, you, KSM, if you want to buy, for example, 10%, let's say it is 20,000 right now. You want to buy, for example, 20%. 20%, it means that you are buying $4,000. Okay? Let's say you are buying 10%. Now, whatever money you put, they will give you how much is the unit, 0.0 something. Okay? So you don't. It's not a share, because if you in the stock market, if you want to buy a share, you can divide the share. So it doesn't need to be split, because you can buy just percentage of this Bitcoin. And Bitcoin, it is not it can be like as you say, split. It's like a company or existing company. It is not an existing company. It's just a currency. Okay. Excuse me. And sorry for that. Sorry. So Bitcoin is not. It is not a stock, and it is not a share in the stock market. Okay. It is a currency, or what we call a cryptocurrency. It means it is following the currencies in the world, like the dollar, the USA dollar, or the euro, or the yen, or whatever. Okay? It is a new currency, but it is not made by the banks. It means the dollar, for example, here in America, the central bank, they try to print this money. Okay, it's just papers. But for the Bitcoin, it has another process called mining. Mining are people who used softwares and use computers in order to solve mathematical problems. Okay, and they generate what we call bitcoins. And these bitcoins are then sold and they get some money from them. Okay, and these are simple transactions from one person to another person. Okay, so it's from one person to another person. You can send these bitcoins wherever in the world, and there are fees, but it is less fees, they say, less fees than the bank. Okay, because in the bank, when you send some money by the wire or by another means, you should pay a fee. Okay, so they say that this Bitcoin is less fees, but understand that all what they say, someone should follow them in order to understand these things. It's not that they say all what you read is correct, so you should study these things in order to understand more and more. So JJ say, do you think Bitcoin will replace MasterCard or Visa in the near future? It doesn't. I don't think that they will. They will, because this has to do with control of the market. For example, MasterCard and Visa card or American Express, they control the market here in US, United States of America, and other markets. Every transaction they control it, and they have fees for the merchants. Okay, whenever there is a transaction, there is a fees. So maybe the businesses in the future, they use this Bitcoin and they get rid of the credit card and yes, but I don't think that this thing will come very quick, because it is something complex. And you know, the central banks and the credit cards and debit cards and the other companies, they are very serious about this, because it is the whole market that will be affected. Right now they say that there are a lot of companies, you can pay them with Bitcoin. Okay, from your account you can buy things in Amazon or any other place using this Bitcoin. But I have no idea how many and what are these companies that accept Bitcoin. If you're interested, you just search online which companies, and there is not only Bitcoin, there are a lot of coins. For example, I know Litecoin, I know Ethereum, and I know Bitcoin, but there are others, they say. Okay, and there are here in America, there are websites that are exchanges. Okay, they are insured and they are regulated here in USA. I'm speaking about USA, because try to be careful not to do, for example, to open accounts in other countries. Okay, because it is so hard. Now here in America, when something is like secured and it is insured and it is like regulated in the United States, it's better than to go to other countries that are not regulated, because maybe you buy something there and you have an account, and the next day you don't find the website, and this was just something that it is not true. So don't just play with your money and buy everything. There is another thing, which is currency pairs trading. This is related to forex, and some websites here in America, they let you trade these bitcoins against the dollar and the euro and Great Britain pound. I have seen this website, and the next days, please follow my videos. I will put each day a video, and I will explain more with websites, and I will show you more and more. For today, we try just to discuss. And have you or someone of you have bought some Bitcoin or Litecoin or other things? This is a question for you. Did you buy these things? Oh, nope for you, good fella. Okay, that's good. That's good. So, in this Bitcoin and other coins, you should understand one thing. There is something which is called investing. It means you just buy and you just leave. Oh, read back. You see, we have find someone who maybe he knows more than anyone else, even with me, because I am not an expert in this currency pairs. So, read Mark, could you explain a little bit? It means, let's say, which no, I was waiting for you to move the first. but you wait for me. Let's say for me, I bought like 5 years ago. How can you follow me? You don't follow me anymore because it's too late. Okay, JJ. No, for me, in this session, what is the goal of this session is just to discuss with you, because I know some of you have more knowledge than me. Because for me, I'm just interested because I see these Bitcoins going so fast in few days. Just few days, like 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago, it was 9,000. Now it is 20,000. This is why I am just curious, like you guys. Because you will make videos? No. The videos I have already made. The videos about the Bitcoin I have already made, but I will put them day by day. It means I don't put everything in one day because, you know, people, they can't watch everything. So today I'm just discussing with you, and the videos are already made, and I will show you the software, the hardware, the websites that it is here in the USA. Okay, and I will show you the chart that I see for forex for the people who want to trade. All these I made videos, and each video speak about something. But today, because I can't show you nothing, it is just a discussion. We are just discussing this. That's why read Mark, since he has bought Bitcoin and Litecoin and others, he has more knowledge. It means I don't know when he bought them, but for me, I come just late. Okay, for me, I like these things, but I will not put that much money in it because it is a very risky thing. So I just, when I want to buy, I buy just little. Okay. So good fella, he say, where can you buy the Bitcoins? Now, if you want to search where you can buy Bitcoins, I tell you how to search, because there are a lot of websites. Okay? You say I checked at Walmart? No. The Walmart doesn't sell Bitcoins. No. It means it accepts Bitcoins? I don't know. Maybe. But I told you, if you are going to yes, Coinbase is what I know only, and there is Kraken. So Coinbase, it is a USA broker here in USA, and it is regulated and insurance. This I saw, and I make a video about it. And they propose three. They propose Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Okay, but I don't know. Read Mark 77 from where he bought his Bitcoin or Litecoin. So please read Mark. What is the broker or website that you bought Bitcoin from? If you want to share just the information. If not, what I know is Coinbase, and there is another one which is called Kraken. But there are other websites. It means the only thing you should see, because these are brokers, the only thing you see, it should be regulated by USA Commission. Okay, it should be regulated. It means it has a physical company, and it is transparent, and it means everything is proven to be a valid business in the USA. That's why I prefer Coinbase, but there are other websites, so I don't know. So and these things, they go. Why I get interested is just because I have a story. I have my son who is always speaking about this. For me, I am not interested in this. And just a few days or a few weeks ago, he told me that this Bitcoin is 9,000. 2 days or 3 days ago, he told me it's 11,000, 12,000, 15, 16. And just 2 days or 3 days ago, I find it like 19,000. Okay? Today, I think it reached 20,000, and it goes down a little bit. As you might know, it is something that goes up and goes down, but it goes so good these weeks. Okay? So, this is the Coinbase that I use to buy some of the stuff. But you know, for me, I just buy to try. Okay, it's not my intention to go. Hey, Abdullah Juba, how are you? Fine, thanks. So, oh, you are first time here? Okay, thank you very much. So, for me, it is just to try things. I know. Yes, Abdullah Juha, Jbuha. Yes, it is live. Okay. For me, it is just to try things that are exploding right now. It means it's going so good, but not all of them. I see Bitcoin is going so fast. But you will see in the market, you will see a lot of products that are related to Bitcoin, and it's going up, and you know, people, they take profit of this. It's like the boom of .com in the beginning of the century. Okay, where any website with .com, it goes up so good. Like, for example, if you can remember, for example, Google, it starts in 2004, but see how much now Google has gone. Okay, no one believes that stock will reach what Google has reached, or other stocks. Okay, so it's just something that the people like, and there is what we call a bubble or a bull, and the people speak a lot. Now, when the people speak a lot, and they see that it is good and you can make money, the people, they jump without knowing anything. Okay, they just see that there is an opportunity to make money, and that's why today we are speaking about this. Although for me, I am not an expert in Bitcoin or forex, so I don't trade forex or currency pairs, but I see that it's the same thing as when you trade a stock, especially when we have what we call currency pairs. Let's say Bitcoin versus a dollar, or a dollar versus Bitcoin. There are some websites, and and I have made videos, and I will propose them this week from tomorrow. Each day I will give a video and explain more and more, but today I want just to have a general information. So if you want, for example, in the future to buy or something, okay, so there are many websites. There is Coinbase, there is Kraken, there are other websites, because those, I think Coinbase is from USA. Try to just see USA brokers. Now, why I tell you this? Because they are regulated and they are real business, and you are not going to get scammed or something else. So you should make sure it is a USA business. Okay, if it is someone in Nigeria or Africa or South, I don't know where, or some country that you don't know, and you make an account and you send money, and then next day you don't find this website and it's over. Okay, so try to make sure. Can you short Bitcoin? Yes, if you go to see currency pairs, okay, if you think you buy, for example, Bitcoin versus USA, it means you think that Bitcoin is going up, USA dollar is going down, you buy this. But if you want to the opposite, go and find, for example, USA, okay, versus Bitcoin. It means if USA goes up, the Bitcoin is going down. Okay, so this is how to short, to go long or to go short according to the currency pairs. But understand that you should do currency pairs. It means forex. You are not in the stock market, because it is not shares that you can short and you can go long. So you should go to the forex market, which is different from stock market. So this is, you should understand, JJ. You say, how can you short them if they are not public traded? No, I'm not saying you go to short them. You short them as currency pairs. I'm just explaining this. Okay? You can, I'm not saying you can buy it and then you short it. No, you should go and do forex, which is currency pairs. Let's say, for example, in order to make you understand, for example, if you think that, let's see here. If you think that Bitcoin is going up, Bitcoin is going up now versus USA dollar going down. Okay, so this is to go long. But if you want to do the opposite, if you think that Bitcoin is going down, what do you say? You do USA dollar versus Bitcoin. Okay, let's say here USA dollar versus Bitcoin if you think Bitcoin is going down. This is how you think. How do you use it? Because it is a forex market, not stock market. Forex, sorry for writing, forex market, not stock market, because you can't short directly stock market. What does it say? Read Mark 77. You say you can buy peer-to-peer on local Bitcoin's website. I have never heard about this local Bitcoin because I didn't search. And he says my strategy has been just to buy and hold. But read Mark. Did you buy a long time ago or just these days, or Are you a long investor before? You know about this before, or just a new thing? So I have just gone to this website. Oh, I see 20 buy Bitcoin with cash near Botner, United States. Oh, okay. And as I told you, oh, that's good. 1st of July, it was right now. For example, Litecoin, if you bought it just a few days ago, it was 100. Now it is like 300 something, which is very, very good. So it's a very good thing. I don't know about Bitcoin in July. Let's see. Let's see here. I have oh, I see Litecoin is now 319. That's good. And I see Bitcoin 19,386. Hey guys, I will try to show you the website for forex that I just found, because I didn't make an account, but I want just to see. I want to try from my thing and try to see if you can see what I see. Okay, let's go and check it. Please let me know if you can see this. So are you guys, please, can you confirm? Are you looking? Oh, okay, that's good. Since you are looking at this website, which is just a broker, it shows you the chart. Oh, thank you very much. No. Oh, okay. So please just look at it. I will just try to see. Okay. Now here, the GDAX, it's a broker. Okay. So for me, let's go to the beginning. Okay. The careers, the fees. I don't know this company or this. Let's see here. Support. Let's see. Contact us. I want just to see if this company partially degraded service, UDAX, support center provided by desk.com. We try to see if this company is we search if it is a USA company, yes or no, and if there is like I don't find any information. So for me, I am just trying to look at it and to check digital asset framework, brand assets, just in exchange, fax. Let's see. They don't say that much about this. Okay. So I will be trying to maybe send them an email and to see what's this, what is this thing. Okay. So let's just go back. Okay. Now, so here it shows Bitcoin versus USA dollar. Okay, so it is 19,299.96, and as you might know, it's going up and going down. And you can see here the open, it was 19,650.02, the high 1960, and the low is 19,000. Okay, it's going up and down. As you can see, it was going up. You say October. Let's go with. So you can here, you can, if you are going to trade, this is a day. You can use, for example, let's say 5 minutes. Okay. Now, when you see this 5 minutes, if you are a day trader and you want to trade, you can use the support and the resistance line in order to do the trading. Okay. Excuse me. But this, I don't know if this it doesn't have the capability of showing the lines. Okay, if you do here a line, and if the stock is going here, I say the stock, if the Bitcoin is going up, this is the support line, this is the support line here, this is support line here. If it continues to go up, you can make money wherever you buy. Now, as you can see, this is the trade size. It means people are trading with 0.01. Okay, so people are trading like $1,000 or $500. It means they are trading low money. It means most of these are beginners, because see, this is 0.2025. What does it mean? If it is 20, it is $5,000. It means as if you put $5,000. As I told you, here is the support line. The stock is here, and it has gone so good. It can go up and up and up. Whenever it goes, you will make money, because here, let's say here, okay, and it's going up. So I don't believe in this overlay, which is moving average, 12 days and 26 days. I don't use this line in my trading, but you, if you are interested, it will be okay. Let's say here what they say. I just created an account with them 30 minutes ago. GDAX is connected to Coinbase. Oh, because I don't know. Because when I go to Coinbase, I don't find the chart. I don't find the chart, or so. Are you meaning that GDAX is related? It means to Coinbase, but I didn't see the GDAX for Coinbase. Okay, so I don't know. Yes, it looks like it is it's like a forex. It's like a forex exchange. Okay, where you can buy and sell, and you can use it for day trading. And you say, but they only have 3 currencies. Okay. Read Mark, do you have XRP? So what is this XRP? Is it a new coin or what? Because I have no idea about these coins. The one I know are 3. The 3 ones that they show, you will find it in product on Coinbase. Website. Okay. But is it a coin? Internet coin like Bitcoin like the others or no? Because Coinbase only shows it shows 3 coins only. Okay. Now let's no, I am talking about GDAX. Okay. So you will find it. Yes, they are one in the same, GDAX and Coinbase. XRP is called Ripple. It is a coin that the banks will be using. Okay, it's always a good thing to know about this. So, as you know, we have also the other one. Okay, which is Ethereum, which is the other thing. It is $728.14 right now. Okay, and you can see the trend going up. But this is just for the day, because we are doing 5 minutes here. We can do the day. You see, the day here was so good. From 500 it goes to 700 in one day. This day here, 12, 11, and 12. It's like any other chart. You can just you can use like my strategy to just find any entrance, and you can enter and you see. But understand that it is. It goes so good high. It's like a penny stock, up and down. And the other one is called when you say products, you say that there are this XRP, but I don't find it here. Okay, here we have only, it means 3 internet stocks: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. And the other major currencies, we have USA dollar, the euro or the European euro, and the Great Britain pound. Okay, so I don't know where you are talking about, like oh, you say Bittrex is a better exchange for trading cryptos. Okay. Second at the bank. Okay. So as I told you, I have no idea about the. Now read Mark. You said that that Coinbase is connected to GDAX, but from where do you get the connection? Because I see here in the GDAX there is no connection with this Coinbase. So is it you go to Coinbase and then you find the GDAX? Because I have no idea about this, because all this is new and we are trying just to understand go to Coinbase and go to products, you will find it. Okay, that's good, that's good. Because I have a Coinbase just a few days ago. I want just to try and to see the thing, but as you might know, I'm trying just to get clear idea about it, because for me, I want just to try to see how things go. Okay, and let's see here. And then we have the light. Where is the light thing? Light versus USA dollar is 318. Okay, so it's like a penny stock. Okay, you can see here. In November, in October. Yes, read mark. Let's say here. The chart doesn't go that far. It goes only to, I think, to October 19. This is where it goes to. Okay, and the stock was like okay. It was 68 or 57. I don't know in July or in the first year, because this it doesn't show. It doesn't show. It shows only a few days here. Does it mean that this has only begun? Has begun just here? It says October 18. So what is the like the beginning of this Litecoin? Okay, do you know when this has begun? Because I'm asking because I don't know. He says, read Mark, you can fund your GDAX account by adding USD to your Coinbase. You can also link your bank account to Coinbase and cash out from GDAX to Coinbase. Oh, I ask you a question because because you know better than this. What about the wallet? Are you having a wallet? You put your coins, or you just leave them in your account? Read Mac. Because I see this wallet and it say create your wallet. In Coinbase. For those who let's say you say Bittrex, I don't know what Bittrex. Yes, this is what Reed Mac has said, that Bittrex is the currency exchange. Okay. So here it says there are 190 cryptocurrencies, which is a lot. It says 50 years ago, but doesn't this company, if it does currencies or system across the bringing testing? Okay. Yes. The currencies here. 190 currencies. There is also a black coin, which is very funny. Gambit, a lot of greed coin, a lot of coins, which is oh okay. So this is the currencies, the Ethereum markets, USD markets, a lot of stuff. Okay, let's go back to our stuff. So here, as you can see, we have sign in if you have an account or create an account, and maybe you can find this and you can begin trading if it is but I don't know the orders, how the form of orders, because there is only, let's say, there is what we call limit order only. It means you should wait, and it's very difficult when you wait for this kind of thing. Oh, okay. But read Mark, since you buy from Coinbase, there is a wallet there. Is that the wallet that you are talking about, or you make a wallet outside of Coinbase? So what's the deal? Because I have seen this wallet creation in the Coinbase. So why do you use another website? We say blockchain.info. How this thing works? It means when you buy from Coinbase and you buy your coins, and whenever you get them, you put them. It says there is a wallet there. Okay, so why you have to do it in blockchain.info? Because I don't know what's this. Let's see here. Okay. Blockchain. Oh, blockchain is in Luxembourg. Okay, it's in Europe. It's not in America. So why you make your wallet in America? Are you in America or? Oh, okay. Readma says, but I use a hardware wallet called Ledger. I do not trade though. I only buy and hold. No. Not safe to leave coins on Coinbase or any exchange. Yes, I know, Readmark, what you are talking to me. But the thing is that there is a wallet in Coinbase. What's this wallet for? I see it in the Coinbase. Since there is a wallet in Coinbase, why you go to another website to do it? And this blockchain.info is in Luxembourg, which is in Europe. So why you go to Europe to hold your coins? This is what I'm asking. Okay, so if you have an idea, hardware wallet called Ledger. So I have no idea about this because I see the information. I see the information that there is a wallet in this thing which is called Coinbase. There is a wallet there, and it's a create wallet. So what's the difference? What's the difference between the wallet in Coinbase, okay, and the wallet in blockchain that you say to me, and it is in Luxembourg, in Europe. This is what I am always. Oh, you got booted. Okay, no problem. Things happen when you are online, like live. So this is the first time I use this, and it seems it is working. It means the what we call the screen. I have never used the screen before, but it looks good, and all you guys, you are looking at the screen, which is very good. In the future, I will try to use it instead of looking at me. And so as you can see, I like the chart, but there is no lines, there is no this is I don't like, because I work with lines. So I should see, and this is one day. You can put it like 5 minutes. You see 5 minutes, the stock has been the coin has been going up, and then it stops, it goes down, it makes support line, and then it seems going up again, which is very good. Okay, so the people are waiting if there is something new. Oh, okay. There are some people who have larger sizes, like this one, 148, 188. It means 188 or 190. Okay, 190 Litecoin. So 190 you should multiply by 320. Okay, seems going good, and that's very good thing. I like that. I like to see. Oh, okay. You can be locked out of Coinbase and lose all your money. It has happened to many people. You need a wallet where you can control your private keys. Google search ledger hardware. Okay. This, yes, that's why I told you always this thing, because it is new, and oh, okay. But see, when you search for this ledger hardware wallet, okay, now how can, when you want to sell from the Coinbase, since your wallet is not in Coinbase, how can you sell? It means you bought with Coinbase and you get your coins, and then you told me you are putting them into a ledger hardware wallet. You showed me the website, which is in Luxembourg. But when you want to sell, how does it work? Do you know the thing? Are you going to sell them from this ledger hardware wallet through Coinbase or what? Because it looks to me, you can always send your coins back to Coinbase if you decide to sell them and cash out. Oh, okay. And did you sell or no? Did you sell in the past? That's interesting. Did you sell in the past? It means you have made this. That's very interesting. Oh, you are with the more with the Bitcoin. You have cast small amounts, and in order to have this ledger hardware wallet, is it connected to Coinbase? This ledger. Ledger hardware wallet. So is it connected to Coinbase? That's very good thing. It's a lot of stuff. It's a lot of stuff as I can think. It's not. So good fella say, read Mark, how long are you going to hold on to them? Oh, this is a big question. This is a big question because no one knows where this where this Bitcoin will be going. Which is a very good question. So it's like investing for the long run, but these things are going up very quick, so no one knows. No one knows where this can go. Okay, so we see, for example, the Bitcoin has gone 9.0% today in 24 hours, which is going so good. This is 5 minutes. Now this is the good thing about day trading, is that you can just check the support and the resistance line, and you can just trade those, and that's it. And I see here the you can see here the sizes. Some sizes are big, like Bitcoin. When we say here, for example, 1.2, it looks like it's like $22,000 or something. But there are some things that are very cheap. 4 Bitcoins here, so it means it is $80,000. Okay. That's good. That's good. And the other one, which is Ethereum, let's see, Ethereum is a 2.97 in this 24 hours. So it looks like Bitcoin is going faster than any of the other coins, which is very fast. So Readmark says, no, the hardware wallet is not connected to Coinbase. It's a device that stores your private keys. If you lose the device, there are passphrases you can use to restore. Oh, okay. You know, for me, it's all this stuff. It's a bit complicated because I don't do these kind of things. Yes, it's very interesting. So how can you get your coins from Coinbase if it is not linked to? So if there is no link, how can you get them and put them into your wallet? And what is the difference about the wallet that it is in Coinbase? Because you didn't talk about it. So this wallet that it is in Coinbase, what is it? It's not safe? So this is my question, because you have been with this for many months, so maybe you know better than me in these things. And the other one, which just looks, I like it, but the chart, I don't like it because there is no lines, there is no thing that you can put. So maybe, yes, it is scary. Yes, it is all an internet thing, and it's not like a bank when you can call or something. If you lose your money, you lose them forever. So that's why he says that a lot of people have lost their money like this because they don't store them. That's why I'm asking him for the wallet that it is in this Coinbase. Is it safe? Yes or no? Yes, which is a bit just like when you send an email, you can send Bitcoin from one address to another. It would be very unwise to leave your valuable Bitcoin on any exchange, including... Oh, okay, that's good. That's good. And so can you put stop loss Bitcoin? I have no idea about this stop loss. I have no idea. Just kidding. Yes, because I don't know. It depends on this exchange and how it works. So I have no idea about this. So read Mark the question from Coinbase. So where do you go to send your coins to the wallet? So is there, they give you a key, they give you something to do it? Because when you send me the other information, it is the wallet you send me is in Europe. So why you go to Europe? I have no idea that you can put them in USB. I have no idea. But I'm asking about the link or the relation from, let's say, Coinbase to the wallet. And I ask him, why do you use a European wallet? Why you don't use a USA wallet? since it is something for security. Yes, this it seems interesting. So we should go along and learn a lot about these new things, about this internet coins and how do they work, how do you buy them, how do you sell them, and how do you keep them safe, because this is the most important thing, is like to keep them safe, not to be stolen from someone else if everything is online. Okay, even banks have been robbed and stolen, so this is not a big deal. Even banks, with all the security they have been robbed by online hackers and people. So it's a bit hard. And read. You say there is another. Let's say here. Okay. So is there any other, like you told me there is like another forex for these coins, but it is better with better chart, because this GDAX, I don't like the chart. I need a better chart, a better chart than this. Okay, so Bittrex, you say, yes, Bittrex, you say it's better exchange to trade. Do you think that it has a better chart? Read Mark. Do you think it has better chart than better exchange than? So Readmark says you go to your Coinbase wallet and send to any address you want. Blockchain.info is reputable. You can research it, but I feel more comfortable with my own hardware wallet. Check TradeView for better charts. Yes, I have heard about TradingView. I didn't use it. Okay, but TradingView, is it for forex also? It means for forex, for coins. I don't know. I thought it was for trading only, for trading stocks. So I have no idea if it is for. Oh yes, TradingView. And is it for coin trading also, like this cryptocurrencies? It means did you trade? Did you trade there? Oh yes, for coins. Okay, I don't know. I have never. And is it So see, KSM, don't ask people how much they buy or how much they have. This is a private question, okay? Don't ask. He says so. Abdullah Jubuha, he said 1,000 bitcoins. So it's like $2 million. Not just that much, just $2 million. You say, you know, there are a lot of people, they don't understand that there is a proverb, English proverb, okay, that says, don't ask a man how much he make, and don't ask a woman how old is she, because this is not good question at all. You need a loan, you go to a bank, okay, go to a bank and they give you a loan. But even if they give you a loan, doesn't mean that you are going to make money. Maybe you buy a Bitcoin today and tomorrow it fall down, so you lose all your money. So this is just a game of risk. So you should be with risk in order to do trading or investing. It doesn't mean that you, for example, it means you succeed. Okay, so there is a big, always there is risk when you are doing this trading or investing. It doesn't mean that you succeed one time with coins, that whenever you do it you succeed. Okay, so it's always there is risk, and there are people who risk and they make money. Okay, but some other people, they want to make money without risk. It means they want a sure thing. Okay, they want to buy Bitcoin at 20,000 and then a few days it goes to 30,000 or 40,000. This is what they want, because they see the past, they think the past is like the future, but no one knows. So you should be a trader or you should be an investor to do this. Robert Polo says, I felt good when you said this is just a game of risk. Yes, but understand, I'm telling you something, Robert, in order to understand really what I mean. If you understand the game, you can make money. But if you are just gambling, you will never make. Because gambling, it means you risk 100% of your money. But when you understand the game, there is 50-50. Okay? But when you become experienced a trader, for example in forex like this, okay? Oh, no, sorry, I am not offended. No, I'm just explaining. When you say I need a loan, I say go to the bank, because I am not a bank, and no one here is a bank either. Ask ask Mark. Ask Reed Mark. He has some Bitcoin. He can give you 1 or 2 from his money as a loan, and which will be very good. Okay, so Robert Polo, when we say it's a game, I told you in all my videos, if you see all my videos, I have made about 1,500 videos. I always say you should understand the game. When you understand the game, you see the whole picture. When you see the whole picture, you know your risk. Whenever you want to do a trade, you know your risk. What is your limits? Okay? Now, in investing, you take more risk because you will be waiting for more than 1 year. Okay? In 1 year, things can happen. Stocks can go up, Bitcoin can go up, or it can go down. So you should always have this idea of risk. This is a business. For example, you want to do a business to open a restaurant. Just an example, okay? But you have no idea about the game of restaurant. You don't know what the people want to eat. You don't know where to rent your location, you have never cooked anything in your life. It is just you have money and you want to do some business. This will never gonna work. Why? Because you don't understand the game. People are making 10 years, 20 years working in a restaurant, and then they open their own restaurant. It means they know everything what to do. So this is what I mean. It means experience. Yes, is to know your risk limits. That's why we use stop loss. Stop loss is just when you do something, you buy a stock, for example. You should know your risk before you enter, and you should be okay, because you can't do a trade with 50% money as a stop loss. 50%, it means you put 10,000, you lose 5,000, and this is not a good way to stay in the market. So you should be clever. You should learn the techniques and how to trade, and it's just techniques. You understand them, you trade. You need time to do performance, to do good, and then when you practice, you become a trader, and you do as a business daily, and you can make money, or you can do swing trading as we do. It means we are not going to to be watching the screen each time. So Abdullah said stocks, crypto, forex. Raza Ali, he said to me, do you own any Bitcoin? I have just a few days bought little. Okay, one of the three I bought little, but just to try the thing, because I want just to see what's the feeling to see this thing, because it's new for me, and I will do like as the other readmac. It's just to for investing. It means I just put them aside and leave them. Okay. Kareem, he said another good website you should see is CoinMarketCap. It's a good overview of all coins. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Readcoin. And Readmark, do you buy only from Coinbase? Because I use the Coinbase. Okay. Okay. So let's give me 1 minute. I will try just to bring coffee and come back. Hello again. Let's see. So let's see. So he said, Robert says, we cannot choose the outcome. We can only try to choose the best instrument for growth and then control the risk amount. Yes, you know, the instrument of growth, what do you mean by instrument of growth? It means if you buy a stock, okay, the instrument of growth that you are talking about is if there is a trend. It means someone big is buying. Now, for these currencies that you see here, it is the people, all the people of the world who are buying. There is a demand. When there is a demand, for example, the Bitcoin, as you can see them right now, there is a lot of advertisement. A lot of people become aware of this new currency, and you can use it in stores, in businesses. This is the most important thing. Let's say you have one coin, or you have half a coin, or 10% of a coin, and you are going to Amazon, or you go to another website and you want to buy something. They accept Bitcoin, this is the most important thing that we are talking about. Okay, we are talking about the use later in the future. But if it goes to stock market, it's the demand also. If there is a mutual fund, for example, is buying, or a bank or pension plan, what will happen? The demand is growing. When the demand is growing, the price will be going up by force of this demand. That's why I always speak about demand and supply. But if all the people are selling, and there is news, bad news or something, and so anything will be going down. It's just because of this force of supplying, and the thing will collapse. But in stocks, when we say the risk, we mean that we don't stay that long if we lose certain amount of money. It's us who decide for this certain amount. It's not the market. It's not the market who send you, oh, put the stop loss here. It's you, because you can't bear staying more. That's the deal. Raza Ali is Coinbase safe? I heard Bitcoins are easily to get hacked by hackers. Any day traders here? I think Abdullah, the PDT rule, I think it doesn't exist in currency. I don't think that it exists. It exists only in stock market, I guess. I don't trade currencies, that's why I don't know. But I think that there is no such rule like this. Reed Mark says Coinbase is the most user-friendly for sure. Local Bitcoin is also good to buy, sell peer-to-peer. Oh, okay. I don't trade crypto, I only buy and hold. Yes, this is a very good thing. If you are going to make money, and you are making money, because see, I will tell you something, Reedmark. Try to answer this question. In the chart, I don't find July in Litecoin. Did you buy before the October, or because here in the chart I see only October? So when this Litecoin begin? Because I see here 18 October only in the chart. There is no more than this. Oh, Robert Polo, you say, what is best platform for scalping Bitcoin? It is, you see, Bitcoin, you should see this, for example, this GDAX that you see here. This is a broker. Okay, you make an account, you put money, and then you trade. It's currency pairs. You day trade, or you scalp, or you do whatever you want. No, I don't say, Raza Ali, I don't say Amazon accepts Bitcoins. I say that a lot of businesses begin to accept Bitcoins. I say in the future, Amazon, it might be doing this, but I don't know. Anything can happen in the market, because this Bitcoin, it's all over the world, and almost the people accept it. I think you should maybe just Google what are the companies, okay, that accept thing. I don't know the for this. Let's say here. So businesses that accept Bitcoin. In USA. Okay, this is a website. It says who accepts Bitcoin as payment, list of companies, stores, shops. Okay, now this is the good thing. So WordPress, you know, which is for blogs, Overstock, Subway, okay, which is very good. If Subway is accepting Bitcoins, you can just use Microsoft, Reddit, Virgin Galactic, OkCupid, Namecheap, Cheap Air, Expedia, Wikipedia. No, Wikipedia is just for free. They accept for free, these guys. So I don't know if it has like big names. Big names. Whole Foods here is a retail, grocery retail here. Okay, because I know it. Pizza, Class Limousine, CEO, Mint, Fancy, Bloomberg, which is like just okay. If they put this into categories, it will be better because no one will go through all this. Okay, that's okay. Oh, you say Litecoin was created in October 2011. Yes. Thank you, Robert, for coming here to us and stay with us. We are always here on Saturday, 11 p.m. at night. So Reedmark said Litecoin was created in October 2011. It means 6 years. Okay. But the chart doesn't give that much. So is there another chart that gives the history? This is good for, let's say, for swing trading. If there are like, and you told me trading view is doing good. So I didn't do this chart. I will try to use it and see if it is better than my chart that I'm using, since we have you have cryptocurrencies, which is very good. Which is very good. Let's see here. 9, which is that's good. It's 6.20%, which is very good. Yes, very good. Okay, that's good. I will check trading view in the future and try to see how it works. Now, the good thing in the future, if this Bitcoin and the other coins are used in businesses in the future, like 2018, 2019, understand that it will have a big impact on businesses. They say that the fees are lower, okay, but I have no idea when it is peer-to-peer, when you buy something, you should see that. But I have no idea about the fees, about bank fees, and this Bitcoin fees. I have no idea about it. Oh no, good fella, you said Subway, 1 Bitcoin can buy 10,000 sandwiches. How does that work? No. Your Bitcoin can be divided into percent thing. Let's say 0.0001%. Okay, so they take the percentage of the sandwich. Okay, and they can make you a sandwich of $20,000. Okay, they put gold in the sandwich, and that's it. Okay, so you will be fine. So there is no problem with Subway. Raza Ali say, what's the fee to buy $500 Bitcoin? Okay, for the percentage, I think they take some. They take 1%. So 1% from 500, it could be $5. But this depends on each website. So yes, so you should see the website that you are in, the exchange, and see the fees. Okay, before you buy, or before even opening an account, you check the fees first. Okay, so don't just open an account. Yes, you can buy a fraction. You can just check this chart that you are seeing. Check here, 0.00 thing. So the people here are buying Bitcoin by $500, $1,000, $2,000, $5,000. So you see the book here. When you see these orders are very small orders. So the people who are trading, they use small orders. And you can check. Oh, that's very good. It goes 7.50. Before it was like 5.2 or something. And the other one is the Bitcoin is 9.83% in this 24 hours. So you can see things going good for certain Bitcoins. We should this wallet is a bit tricky, so we should just try to see how this work, because it's all online, and a lot of things can happen, because it is something for people who know this softwares and the other stuff. No, this chart, as I see it, it's live. It changes. You see this thing, and it is like it's like a real time, I guess. It's a right, because I didn't use it. I don't day trade. I don't use it, but it looks normal, because it gives you the price right now. So read Mac. It depends. It depends on the amount of money or the fees. So it depends on the amount of money for the fees which all take the fees, and this is a problem because whenever you buy you pay fees, you change to your wallet you pay fees and fees and fees, and this is not good. Okay, paying all this stuff each time. He says, Raza Ali say, it means, so read, it means I need to pick the best broker to buy coins. Yes, for me, I tried Coinbase, but there are other Coinbase. Because it is, so I will not have to transfer over and over. So Raza, I have no idea. So oh, so insert, you know, insert random name. Say hi, brother. Why did the thumbnail say Thanksgiving? It's Christmas season, my brother. Okay, this is an old thing from Thanksgiving. I'm still eating turkey and chicken here, so I bought a lot. So for me, it's Thanksgiving. Okay, when I reach Christmas, I will tell you. No, it is just when I put the thing. Yes, a lot of turkey here and chicken and barbecue. Okay, so I'm still eating that thing from Thanksgiving. So Christmas is not yet here, and there is no snow, so there is no Christmas without snow. Abdullah says, Karim, if you sign in GDAX with the same password, you will find the Bitcoin that you bought. It is the same thing as I know. Oh, okay. Because Abdullah, Reed Mac has told me that you can link GDAX from Coinbase. This is what he told me, because I didn't open an account here because I don't day trade, okay? But I used Coinbase to buy some coins. But I'm just new, just a few days ago, so I'm just new. Reed Max says, I love turkey leftovers too. Yes, because he saw the picture and he see Thanksgiving. I told him that I am still eating that turkey thing. When I finish, I put a picture of Christmas. If it snows, because it doesn't snow here that much, so we are in a warm place. But anyway, it's very good to continue eating turkey and chicken and the other stuff, and as you say, leftovers. But it's very funny. You say where you put the thing. So I just put the picture. It goes automatically to the thing, but I change it. I don't know if it's still there, so I change it. But it is anyway. The subject is Raza. The state I am in is North Carolina. I am the East Coast. Abdullah says, Karim, I think we should stick to stocks. It is safer for us. No, see, for this session, I want just to let people like know what's going on with this Bitcoin, and just to get to know something that it is new, because maybe in the future all the stores you find Bitcoin, and then after 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, you say, oh, if I know this before, it's better. So it is just it is just as something that you should know about. Oh, okay, that's good. You are from Asheville. That's very good. So as I told you, this Bitcoin and the other coins, they are new. But the thing is that they are new things that impact our life in the future. So we should know about them. At least we know what they are, or how we can get them, how we can buy them, how we can sell them. Can we trade with them? And day trading, because day trading, it's just a business that you do. You buy and you sell, you buy and you sell. That's it. It means it's not a big deal. Okay, and all, either you do currency or you do futures or you do stocks, it's the same techniques. But the only thing that it is different is the risk. You can risk more and more or less. In stocks also, in stocks there are some stocks that you can risk less, but there are other stocks that you can risk more. So this is what we are talking about. For example, I just brought this subject, which is Bitcoin. It is just because I am get interested in it in these days, and when I'm interested in it, I'm just to share my thoughts about it. So, and they see that are my students, they know better than me, and they have bought it before and they have made money from them, because I see the charts and all the charts are so good for this kind of coins, and it's very good. And they say there are a lot of these coins. It's not just Bitcoin or Ethereum or Litecoin, but there are others. And it's very good to watch all this stuff, just to have an idea about them. I don't say you should go and buy or do day trading because I talked about it. Yes, you don't see a gap up or gap down because forex, it is working 24 hours. So there is no way to have this and this, because it's continuous. It's continuous because in the stock market it stops at 4 o'clock. Now when it stops and the news comes back, some people, they can buy, can sell, but you can see this in the chart. You should have a chart after hours. After 4 o'clock, there is, if you go to your broker, he will show you a chart after hours, and you will see that there is trading. Okay? Yes, it trades 24 hours by 7, yes. It stops, I think, in half an hour in a week or something like that. So it's always there. Okay? That's why there is no gap up or gap down. But believe me, I like gap ups. I like them too much. I like them in stocks, because sometimes I bought one stock at 78, the next morning it is 135. Yes, I like them. That's why I like stocks better than this stuff. Okay. A good fella said, I heard some analysts say that Bitcoin will replace credit card in the near future. Yes, it means there is a big impact on us, because since we are using USA dollar, in the future maybe you are going to use only Bitcoin and all these currencies will disappear. Okay, so it's very hard, and the businesses, if they accept them, like Subway, if it accepts it, the other guys will accept it in the other restaurant, the other retails, Amazon and whatever. And I didn't check Amazon, but Amazon is a very, very big trader. If it accepts, it means it will take all the market. It's about competition. Okay. Raza said, I heard it is gonna split soon. No, see, this thing doesn't split. It goes up and it can go down, but it doesn't split like a stock, like a stock share. I don't think so. I don't like gap down. I lost 20% this week. No, but see, you lost 20%. But what if the next trade you do and you make a gap up of 30% or 50 or 60 or 70? So it's not, don't look at one trade and make a generalization, because for me also sometimes I have a gap down, but the most important thing, I have mini gap ups, so this will make the money. So you see the whole thing, don't see one trade or two or three. Wiseman says very rare people know more than you on this live chat. Thank you very much, Wiseman. You know, I try to share as much as I know. This thing about Litecoin, it is only my son who is always talking about to me, you know, these new guys talking to me about, because I talk to them a lot about stocks and they escape from me because it's boring thing. It's a boring thing. Okay? And I try to educate my kids. It means it's the same as you here, guys. It means I share. So I share with my kids, with my wife, with my neighbors, with everyone I know. I share information because this information can change a lot of things in you. Someone who is 20 years or 25 or 30, I have taught before. Some people directly, it means by Skype, and they invest a lot. But I will share with you an example. I taught someone who put 20% of his money using a bank, not a broker. So he doesn't know that you should use a broker, not a bank, because the bank has a lot of fees. Now, when he said to me bank, I say stop here. I say to him, why do you use a bank for investment? He told me, I just want to invest, and I search, I find bank, and I begin to. I tell him, okay. I told him I will explain to you something. Banks, I know they have more fees than a broker. A broker, you buy $10,000, you buy something, you pay only $5 a fee, like a commission, $5. But a bank can take from your money 10% or 5% or something. It will take that much money. So I told him, okay, what you should do is just go to your bank, speak with a manager, and he brought you an account, and just tell him how much fees you are taking when I send you the money. It means 20% of his paycheck. How much money is your fees? You should put them in numbers. And I told him, believe me, I don't know you, I don't know your bank, but I know that they will take too much more than a broker. Now, when he goes to his bank, and for many years, 10 years he is working, he has never thought about it. But I saved his life, because at that time he stopped his account, he took all his money and he put it in a broker, and he do his work by himself. Because I taught him how to buy, how to sell. Maybe he wants to invest money in the long run, so he just do it himself without paying that much fees. Okay, so it's like this. Raza says, if Amazon will start taking bitcoins, everyone will start taking bitcoins. Yes, it is it's about competition. Amazon is one of the biggest retailer online, the biggest in the world. Okay, so especially internet thing, it means everything is online. They have no stores like mortar stores, like physical stores. Everything is online, and they have merchant. They have millions of people who buy and sell. So if they accept it, millions of people will buy these bitcoins and the other coins, and they will use them, and it will be safer than now. Raza Ali says, what's the spread right now in bitcoins? So I have no idea. I have no idea about this, because I I just bought some, but I don't know the spread. Okay, this is a new thing, and you should if you want to trade, you should use forex. It means you should use currency pairs, Bitcoin versus USA dollar or whatever. So for those who buy and keep and hold, this is another thing. Okay, so you have two options to do. Oh, you said there are like $300. So you should see the bid and the ask, and this you should see it from because in the chart, as I see here, let's see here, it doesn't show. Okay, it doesn't show the bid and the ask. Let's say you put $1 here, 10,000. So you should have an account, and you enter, and then you try to see inside, because it didn't give me the bid and the ask, and there is a limit, and there is a stop, which is for stop a price. Yes, but as I told you, you should enter inside, and I don't have an account right now. Oh no, for me, I am just I just bought a few days ago. I didn't get them right now. My coins are not in my wallet right now. I just began to buy them like a few days ago. So the first transaction should be long, because they do a lot of verifications, and later when you buy or sell, it will be quicker. Oh yeah. You know, read Mac. This is the first time I use this, so we don't need it, so there is no problem. Okay, so try to check them. Okay, I take the GDAX as ReadMax told me. So Raza said, so Coinbase is for investment in Bitcoin, not for day trading. Yes, but you can do the GDAX that I show right now, and it is for trading. It's like forex. It means we have currency pairs, and it is there, I think, in the Coinbase. So ReadMark told me that it is there. So for me right now, I should go later to my account and check this GDAX. So ReadMark. So where I can find this GDAX in Coinbase? Where can I find the GDAX in my Coinbase account? Because I didn't check. You just told me that they can be linked, but I didn't check that. I will go later and will check. So where should I go? Oh, you should go to product. Oh, okay. Thank you. At that time, I will try to see the bid and ask, which is a very important when you do day trading. Okay, when you do day trading, or even you do swing trading, you should see this thing. Okay, Raza Ali say, how many days does it take to get Bitcoin in your account after you open? Yes, for me, it says 1 week. 1 week of, because it is the first transaction. Okay, they don't know you. They don't know you, and this miners, those guys who mine, they should do a lot of transactions, transactions, and see if you are verified, and then they can send you the. But later, I guess it will be in few minutes. This is what I know, but. After you have been verified, it is instant. But read Mark, try to think about this. I just bought some. Okay, read Mark. I says this is the first time, and they say it takes days to do this transaction, and it is confirmed. It means I confirm, I give them my bank account, it's all over. But they give me days. They give me days. It's like today is 16. They give me like 20 December, and I think 21st December. I did 2 transactions, but I didn't get my coins yet. That's why I'm asking about the wallet, and and how can I use it? And you say it's the one that for Coinbase it's not safe. Okay, so I'm trying to understand this, how this work, and in the future. For me, just I want to see this new thing. which is a very good thing, you know. In the future, maybe it becomes all the stores accept this Bitcoin and the other coins, so it will be accepted by every store. So it will be the new internet money. It's virtual, and it will be something new. And we are just in the beginning, okay? And since they say Subway begin to have Bitcoins and the other stuff, so it means that it is a real thing. And this is why we are always interested in this new thing. Although for me it's not a big interest, but it is just interest to see how things work, and how we can buy, we can sell, or we can invest, okay? And how we make money, because we are in the market, whatever market, is to make money. It's not we love something for its sake, because we don't love stocks, okay, for they are stocks or companies. We love them when we make money, but we hate them when we don't make money. So we are here in business to make money. Raza Ali say, but it's very risky because actual money don't up and go like cryptocurrency. No, everything goes up and down. If you see, I have traded a stock before. It was 3. It goes to $265 in 1.5 years. This stock was $3, but it goes to $265 in 1.5 years. Understand? Okay? Understand, if you put only 2,000 or 3,000 or 10,000 or I don't know, and you invest in this stock, if for investing, you could make a lot of money. And this is our real thing in the stock market. It is real. Okay, there are some stocks that they can go for a long trend and you can make a lot of money. And this is why you are here. Raza Ali, you say damn, which was I try to remember, the stock, I make videos on YouTube. I am sure I make videos on YouTube. I don't know. It's like 2014, 2015. I make videos about this stock because for me, I traded this stock, but I didn't. Whenever there is a move, I buy it, but I exit when the trend finished, because it go down and then it go up, it go down, go up until it reaches that. Let me go to the chart and see if I can remember. I put the stock. It's a drug stock. It means it's a biotechnology stock, I guess. Let me see. PCYC, no. I don't remember the stock because it was long time ago. And I don't know if it is still in the market. Maybe this company was sold, or I have no idea. I have no idea. So I will search for it. I will search for it. If I find it, I will tell you. Oh yes. No, it's just a stock, for example, that was 78. It goes to 135. I know for this one. It's called Anak. It's a drug store, a drug company. But the other one, yes, I found it. It was bought by another company. It is called PCYC. It doesn't exist now in the market. And let's see. The chart doesn't give me, because it was it says here 254 when it was sold. Okay, this company, but the chart is in March 2015, March 5, 2015. So I don't find. Let's see if I can find it. The white chart is not free, so we should go. Yes. You see that until now, PCYC, I still remember it, but I don't find it in the chart. And I say to myself, maybe I am mistaken in the symbol, but I am correct. I go online, I find it, but it was sold to a BBV, as you write, cute fella. No. See, Raza Ali, your money goes up and go down according to the value of the thing that you bought. It is cryptocurrency, or it is future, or option, or stock, or even house. It's about the market. The market goes up, your house value goes up. You can sell it for more. The market, like 2008, when the market go down, your house is 2,000, it becomes 150 or 100,000 the value. Okay, because all the people want to sell, so the price goes down. And that's why in 2008, 9, 10, was or were the best years to buy houses. Those people who don't buy at that time, they will never buy. Because the houses, a house that it is 200 now, it is like it was 2009, 2010, it was only 100. 1 million, it's only 500. 500, it's only 250. So it was the gold mine. It means at that time, if you don't buy on those years, 2008, 2009, 2010, if you buy right now, the market has all go up. So that's why. You say USA dollar is losing value always? No, you should compare it with other currencies, and you see, I don't know. Sometimes it goes up, sometimes it goes down. Depends on the other currencies. But they say that is like 3% inflation, and the stock, the dollar loses like loses value. Okay. So things happen, and because of the bubble, things go up very, very good. And we are always here to find opportunities in the market. Either you use my strategy for stocks to follow the trend. When the trend ends, you just exit the trade. You just date the stocks, you don't marry them. And that's how do we make money. Some people use day trading and they have time in the morning, so they can day trade and make money. So everyone is making money according to his style. Read Mark, you say, I am glad you decided to make the leap into crypto, Karim. No, see, even in some companies that I know before, because of my intuition, because what I see in the market, my kids and my wife, I always change their 401k, change the other stuff according to what I know. Okay, and this is just because investing is not the same as the swing trading, and I'm always trying to see things. But for me, I am not into one thing. I'm specialized, yes, in the swing trading, because this is what I do, and I follow stocks like this daily. I can find stocks, so it doesn't. And I can make money from them, so that's it. So I don't worry about other things always. So he said, what kind of coffee you drink? Thank you very much, Raza Ali. I am drinking Colombian coffee. It's just, just a flavor that I got good, and I just drink it always. I buy always the same brand of coffee, because when you change, you will see the taste is different. So it depends on you what you want to drink, and that's it. So read Mac, for investment, especially investing, I'm not speaking about bitcoins and the other stuff. For investing, especially in companies, I have never seen the financial statement, never, because it's useless. But I see the company in real. Okay. For example, I see that the stock is going up. I search what is this company. What is the competitor? Just an example. Is it growing or not? Is it making good business? Yes. Making money in real? And then you can decide to buy some shares or whatever. But you should always diversify. You should always put your money in one thing. Okay? Because if you mistake, and in 2 years, 5 years, you mistake, you will be losing a lot of money. So you should just diversify here and there. Don't put all your money in one industry, in one sector, but try to, this is for investing for the long run. Okay, there are a lot of companies here in America, they are going so good, all the people know them, but when they want to invest, they don't want to invest. And they're always watching something going up and up and up. For example, all the people, I'm speaking about Facebook from 2012, where all the analysts were against Facebook. Okay? For me, I buy and sell, buy and sell, buy. I'm doing just swing trading. Okay? Because if I invest, I will lock my money for years. So I don't want to lock my money. Okay? But still, the stock was 1755, the low, and then the next day it was 1999. I bought other day, and I make videos and I put them on YouTube. But some few people, they see it but they don't believe. And now when they see like Facebook like at 185 after a few years, and each year for me I put gap ups, because when I buy and there is a trend and there is a gap up, I put that gap up into video, and I say I sold my shares. But the people, they don't believe. This is the problem. Okay, if you don't believe, you will stay all your life scared. You do nothing, you don't learn anything, and that's it. Okay. So thank you very much for watching. And for me today, I thought Bitcoin will not be a good subject. I think that half an hour we will stop talking about anything, and then it will be like half an hour session, that's it. But I see 2 hours and 35 minutes. Thanks for ReadMac, who has given us a lot of information. And this is a true thing, because we are here just to share some information that can go good. And I will be, I have already made videos for Bitcoin before I spoke. I made videos especially for mining from this Coinbase, and for the chart that I showed. Everything that I say here, I have put in the videos. So for those who want to check them again, you can want. But some people who like ReadMac, he knows better than me. So in beginning of trade and of holding these Bitcoins, that's very good. So good fella said, I am more confused now than ever about Bitcoin. Good fella, you should not be confused. It is just a currency. You buy it. If it goes up, you make money. If it goes down, you lose money. That's it. It's just a currency, a new internet currency. That's it. So don't think a lot about it. If you don't like these coins, you just stay in stocks. There is no problem. But later in the future, whenever you go, you hear about Bitcoin, and you can buy everything with Bitcoin, and you can pay your bills with Bitcoin. This is the problem. It means all over will be Bitcoin, and you will be the only one who doesn't know about Bitcoin. Okay, so you should know from now. And you should know about now and just have an idea. Yes, it's everything you want to do, it takes time to learn, to practice, and to decide to do it. This is the most important thing. Like Facebook, I showed the guys that it is going up, and it is a challenge to Google, but no one believes what I say. But it is going to be a big subject in the future. Okay? Google, Facebook, Apple, those bigger big things, and everything begins small. Okay? Google just began in 2004, Facebook in 2012, but there is a big fight online. If you have more ideas and you have a lot of things, you can compete better than some people who have no ideas and they have old ideas. We are now in the internet ideas. Everything that it is internet, anything that it is like online. Okay, no, even the people, the retailers in here in USA, like they go and they become online. Even like Walmart, like bigger retailers like Walmart, they have an online thing. Even for groceries, vegetables and things, you just go online and you search what you want to buy, and then you go pick up them, and that's it. But it is the same thing, like okay. So thank you very much for watching and for being with here, and we share information. If you have questions, as usual, you can ask. Thank you very much, and see you next week.